she really want me cause I'm ballin'. That's the reason that she callin'. I got all this jewelry on me. I'm fresh like I hopped up out of coffin.
Hey y'all, this is allofdestiny, and in this video I'll be showing you all how I did minimal makeup look 15 products along with this bob that I'm feeling so much. I posted onto the community tab. I had ideas in mind, but I was like, I don't know exactly what I want to film today. But 47% of you all voted for the everyday minimal makeup in this jet black bob. Hashtag give them what they want all 2018, okay? Let me go ahead and give you all of the specs on the hair first, and then we're going to jump into the hair, then we're going to jump into the makeup, and then after that I'll kind of give the wrap up of everything for this video. Just a quick outline just in case you want to skip around. Don't skip around. Yet again, Premierlacewigs come through for your girl. Always showing love to your girl. So yeah, a special thank you to Premierlacewigs for sponsoring this video. So they sent me over 2 wigs. I do have another bob that I'll be doing later on before this month is over with, but I wanted to rock this one first, you know, like this wig is from Premierlacewigs. It's the Swept Bangs Bob Lace Front wig. The SKU is DFW09. The hair type is Indian Remy hair. The hair texture is Yaki straight. The part is a seaside part. The color is 1. The length is 14 inches. The size is a medium, and it's 130% normal wig density. And you can use coupon code Destiny for $10 off if you purchase, girl. Like what? I read all of that straight from my paper, so I know I got everything correct. Like, let's go ahead and do this because I can't be on here too long without my wig on. Like, I've been procrastinating. I just haven't been filming. Like, I've been chilling, been a procrastinator basically. I attempted to bleach the knots on this wig like 3 times. It would not take. I don't know. I already put the elastic band on. Let's go ahead and cut off the extra lace. I can't do this on my head. I already took it off on the back, but I figured I would just finish the rest on camera to have a thorough video, you know. Cutting away the lace. And then I'm just going to pull this comb and then just make sure it's in the middle. And tuck that up under elastic band. Alright, so my assumption for why I believe that I couldn't bleach the knots is because this is Yaki straight. I don't think it would be recommended that you would dye this wig. And so since you can't really dye this hair with the bleach, like to make it maybe like brown or blonde, it's also the reason that the knots can't be bleached. I'm assuming because I did it 3 times. I bleached the wigs plenty of times before. Because the knot is like taking the end of the hair and tying it literally, so it's not taking the bleach on the end either. That's my assumption. We're gonna make it work because we have no other choice at this point but to make it work. Cut off too much lace, I think. I cut off too much lace. I haven't worn this wig yet. Everything that I'm about to do is my first time on camera, and I'm regretting the fact that I didn't cut this off on my head. I need some lace right here. It's like a whole bunch chilling on my forehead that I don't need. So it's like either pull this forward, but I can't push that back. And my nose won't stop running. How am I supposed to record like this? Yep, this is a struggle video for sure. I'm trying to pluck this part, but I can't do it on my head. So I just ripped a hole in the cap. This is why I haven't been filming. You have to be in a mood to film. A good one. And I haven't been in one. I feel like this is one of those times where I need to do the stocking cap method, but it's not going to happen. Let's put her back on the mannequin stand and open up this part some. My nose keeps running. Literally every time I walk away it stops running. Makes me not want to film, but we can't do that. We got to film, girl. We got to film. The show must go on. Where are the tweezers? See? Oh, this is... Gotta use these little Dollar Tree ones. I love Dollar Tree, but these aren't any good. Let me stop complaining. This could be somebody's first time watching me. They gonna say that girl there, man, can't watch her. I did a lot of plucking. A lot of plucking. And it doesn't look like it. These knots are showing. Trying to get out the extra hair. Improvising. I'm not gluing this down because I don't plan on sleeping in it. Also, I did put on the elastic band that Premierlacewigs did send me. I apologize to you all on that end. I don't know what my struggle looks like until I begin editing. This is some Softy, girl. Softy Silky Shine Olive Oil Styling Gel. I don't really use Eco. My sister likes Eco. I just find that, I mean, they all the same to me. Same. That's too much. Why did I do that? I'm just kind of cutting away at the edges, or cutting away at the hair in the front to create edges. Then just kind of take it and swoop it. Aside from the fact that I'm trying to hide mine, I'm winging this right now. Here it is, the tweezers. Oh my god. back like I left some. Hold the hair, take the tweezers, and just start pulling out the hair to thin this out so that I can use it as my baby hair. Okay, I'm gonna cut it this with the razor. I haven't filmed in a while. I gotta get back in the swing of things. Just take some of this LA Girl Pro Conceal and which one is this? Toffee. Just slap it in my parts since my knots wouldn't bleach. Oh, that's too much. Oh. Yeah, I should just cut the camera off. I'm messing up too bad. Oh, man. Ooh. I mean, let's just take a beauty blender. Why not? Blend it out, girl. I'm gonna take some freeze spray right in there. This just melts all of that together. Because I don't want to glue her down today, I'm relying on the combs and my elastic band being perfectly measured. Just gonna keep filming until the battery dies on me. Who not finessing this wig right now? Like, who? Don't do that because it ain't really blended, but who? The ring light is making this area look shiny. It's really not in person. For once, I'm going to not do too many swoops. Instead, I just decided to blend the baby hair back into the wig. Powder my parting space, kind of rub that into the knots. It's kind of like when you set your makeup. What if we use setting spray? Nah, I'll just use this. Oh my god. Ooh, it took me a while to find the longer pieces because I had to move them to this side just so everything blends. So I'm just going to kind of tuck the ends. Shampoo that I used was the Aussie shampoo and conditioner in one. So after I rinsed out the bleach, I shampooed the hair with that. Blow dried it barely. Let it air dry while I was setting up. I don't have any product in this hair at all, by the way. Oh, that's hot. Oh, just bumping the ends to really give it that bob like look. Because I need my makeup now. Because makeup is just really going to help me like. Okay, I'm back. I've had time to let the camera charge up while I had, not shrimp tacos, chicken tacos. Y'all was doubting me at first, huh? Y'all was like, girl, I'm finna cut this video off. I done clicked on the wrong one. She finessed us with a thumbnail and her hair ain't even that popping. Y'all was doubting me until I pulled out these flat irons. I know it. I want it more so like, not too bent, but like bent. There we go. Let's do this stuff. See? You gotta work with that hair. Look at this. You can't just give up. This is what we have, just so I can go ahead and get to the makeup portion. I have a few products here. I'm not gonna use too many. I should have said it before I slapped it on my face. Now it look funny. Some of the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Perfector. And I'm not going to use a primer just because this is already an 8-in-1. With this being kind of like a minimal makeup look, I don't want to get minimal confused with no makeup look because those are two separate things. Minimal is just going to more so be, I'm not using too much makeup to get the look done, but obviously we're still going to be applying makeup. This is not my shade. Ooh, that is not your shade. Just to balance that out, I would wipe that off, but we're gonna keep rolling. And I don't remember if it oxidizes or not. Beauty blender is clean, but I'm just wiping the excess on here. For those of you that may be, well, I'm a beginner myself, so I can't say for those of you that may be beginners, girl. If you like voted and you left a comment, a lot of you all told me the reason that you all wanted to see the minimal look is because you're trying to get into makeup. You're not that into it just yet. So you kind of want maybe like the basics of a simple face. Like I stepped away from my ring light to double check this and it's actually like spot on. I don't know why it's looking funny on that end. With me mixing the BB cream with my foundation. What did I do with it? Of the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This one is in Cool Tan and you want this one to be a little bit lighter than your skin tone. I'm going to apply this under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, and just a little bit on the forehead. I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my beauty blender. If you've seen any of my other makeup videos, then you know that I go in with a lighter concealer right on top of that. But with this being a minimal look, not necessarily meaning no makeup look, we're not using tons of products. Also putting this on top of my eyelids. It's like one color now. Normally I always do my brows first. Don't know what I'm thinking. I myself keeping my hair out of the way. It keeps getting in the way. So I just follow the shape of my brows. So starting first underneath, outlining that, and then doing the same thing along the top portion with a light hand, just kind of outlining the shape of my brows. Then after I get the outline right, I lightly just sweep this pencil through the brows and take the other side, which has the spoolie on it, and just go back through and brush everything together. I was watching a lot of my older videos, my older makeup tutorials from about like a year ago, 2 years ago. I was saying things like, don't quote me on this, I'm not a professional and I don't use the right term. And just all of that kind of stuff about me being such a beginner. I still feel the same way. Like I don't know how to do my face, but in the meantime, doing my face. Taking the same LA Girl Pro Conceal that we used underneath the eyes. And this is just gonna clean up the mistakes. I was feeling them in like super messy. I ain't been filming in a minute. I'm all off. I'm all out of whack. And why am I doing it with my right hand? I'm left-handed. And take a brush and just blend that out. Since the concealer that I use is not too far off, like too light, I'm able to use the same one along the top and the bottom, so it works for a minimal look. I try to follow right up in here, so anything that comes too close in, I just take the brush and whatever is left, it'll clean that up for me. I don't want them looking like, ooh, whoa, one eyebrow, oh no. Blend everything even further. I wanted to contour before highlighting. All out of order, but I don't want to set under here before putting that on. So I'm just going to put this not necessarily in the hollows of my cheeks, but more so coming towards my nose. Just like that. Because I don't want to elongate my face. I want it more so like right on those cheekbones, like snatched, you know. And since this is a minimal look, I'm not going to do all the excess on the forehead. I am going to put just a little bit here on the nose. Take a e.l.f. stippling brush and blend it out. The reason I put this up higher is because as I began blending it, you see it went right into that area anyway. So if I put it here, I feel like as I blend it, it ends up further down, you know. So yeah, I kind of get rid of some of the excess. Maybe you can go underneath here. Blends just by kind of dabbing along the ends of that and around it to overlap everything together. So that's why now you see when I said I didn't want to do the highlighting first, because then I would have to come right back down the middle of my nose with that light color again when it's like do the contouring and then come with the light color, and switch up the order of what I just did pretty much when you do yours, if you want to. But let me be quiet so I don't have to edit too much. I'm going to set all of the areas where we put the lighter concealer. That's under the eye, on the forehead. Some of it is still going to be sitting on my face, but then some of it is kind of pressed into my skin at the same time. Underneath the brow, underneath the contour. And just because I get creasing right here sometimes, I'm going to put a little bit around the mouth. Brush like this, a really large one, tap off some of the excess, and we're just going to brush all of this, kind of dusting off the excess powder, but at the same time brushing this powder onto our face. I'm not even trying to explain things using makeup terms and all of that. As long as my point go across, I'm good. Plus it makes it easier for me to film when I can just explain things the way that makes sense to me. I don't got to be uptight about filming, because this is my tutorial and I can explain however I like. I'm not even in the frame. I tap into this one and tap into the darkest one and then tap out. I go in circles. And even though we put that pressed powder on there, what this is going to do, kind of like bringing that color back, because the pressed powder kind of toned it down some. This doesn't have to be like the most defined, like popping, like bring out that contour. Where is it? Show it to me. It is a minimal look. We don't have to like pack it and pack it and pack it and pack it on. Brush it a little bit right in that area where my parting is. You don't have to do this at all, but I really like bronzer, so I'm going to use it. When you read the description box, it won't be a ton of products down there. It's just like a little bit, just a little bit, girl, a little bit. I always start rushing when my camera begins to die, because I don't want it to die. I want to finish filming so I can be done. Why you want to die? You don't want to wait? Got your whole life to live. So I'm taking the same color again, not using anything else. Bring out the shape of my nose some. And I just take this and kind of brush it up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, just like that. Make sure this is kind of a line. You don't want to like give yourself a crooked nose. Just tapping into these two light colors, tapping off the excess and just going right under the brow bone just a little bit. And then just kind of brushing to blend that out. I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Sasha Fix It spray for this. Last but not least, girl, we need to do the eyes. Honestly, I'm in no mood for anything but mascara. I wouldn't even use lashes in a minimal look. Like, it's no, I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna use Tourmaline to highlight. Oof, oof, oof. Why am I still holding it like that? Of course, I use the beauty blender on top of that to tone it down. Tip of my nose, the bridge. I'm using my fingers. You can use your fingers. My cupid's bow and the tear duct. Blend that out. Put on the brow bone. Blend that out. Girl, I'm feeling this look like shook, like book, like eyeshadow. Who running the vacuum cleaner? I'm gonna keep filming because my battery about to die. I'm also gonna take Tourmaline and just slap that. Use your lashes, your eyeliner, all of that stuff. I ain't in the mood for none of that, so I'm not gonna do it. Ratchet Destiny, she says hello. If you all haven't noticed, she is here for this tutorial. My eyes like jumping. Can y'all see that? Oh, now you want to stop because I'm filming. You want to get shy. No mascara and mascara that you use. Why y'all running the vacuum cleaner like I ain't recording? Insert some little music and make it pretty right here, Destiny.
Choosing on the guy. Choosing on the guy. Cars fast and furious. Got your girl curious. She say she like my Dougie in the way that I deliver it. Baby, she's a lady of the 80s. Trading places, not the...
That's pretty much how I did my hair and my makeup. I mean, let me know what y'all think down below if you're still watching. I'm feeling this hair. Only thing, while the knots wouldn't bleach, so I had to kind of tweak it, kind of make it work. Make it blend and make it lay, make it slay. Like what I say, like don't play. Like Bob said, stay out the way. Like if my hair was longer, I could fool some people and they'll be like, oh snaps, Destiny dyed her hair jet black. Cause really that's what I was trying to think. But I was like, nah, my subscribers don't like clickbait. Cause I was gonna clickbait y'all and be like, I dyed my hair jet black and I cut it into a bob. Nah, they ain't going for it. That's it. Cause I don't want to start rambling. Most people kind of cut the video off once they see the hair and the makeup. They're like, what's she talking at the end for? Like, why are you talking at the end? Why? Shout out to the notification gang. Gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of the notification gang, you need to subscribe, and then you also need to hit that bell. Otherwise, you're not a part of the notification gang. Like, what are you doing? Why are you not a part of the notification gang? My notification gang is lit. They live. They be turned up. Like, when I upload a video, I'm instantly like scrolling my comments like, who on here? Who on here? Let me see what they saying. Like, I heard she respond to the people that beat her like right when the video dropped. Because I'm usually online like right after that, trying to update my description box, girl. Like, I woke up today and I said, get up, do your hair, do your makeup, and record it. You need to slay today. Thou shalt play no games. Okay, I'm done. This really look like it's growing out of my scalp. Girl, I'm feeling this. Shout out to Premierlacewigs. So let me put the box back in the corner because people been trying to steal my videos, download them, upload them to Instagram, and I ain't having it. Shout out to everybody that responded to the community post. Just shout out to all of my subscribers. I see you, girl. I see you. This is the texture that like you got a fresh relaxer, you blow dry your hair and bump the ends a little bit. It's not like too silky Brazilian silky side, so it's like, nah, that ain't her hair. Yeah, we can fool some people with this. Cause I gotta go to Instagram. You know how it is when you get your hair done and you be on your Insta story like,
I got a Rolex.
Follow me on Instagram. Also, if you just couldn't concentrate because you were distracted by my nails, check it out. It's my previous tutorial. I did them myself, girl. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching.
On the left and the right. Is it cause I'm glossed up? Is it cause I'm flossed up? Maybe cause I'm flexing on these niggas and I'm bossed up. She saw my whip, girl, what you tryna do? You can bring your friend too. We can have all kind of fun. You can ride Benz cool. My flow done got insane, nigga. I'm switching lane to lane, nigga. Riding in my old school, the motor out the